Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. I have another low cap gaming gem that I want to bring to your attention. So please do me a solid, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and let's get straight into it. As you see here, this is Bitcoin. We are breaking above, guys. Life is great. We just have to be patient. We are about to make it, about to escape the matrix that has enslaved us all these years. Look at this multi-year cup and handle pattern that Bitcoin is playing out. Started in October of 2021, went all the way down here, and then we started pumping. We formed that cup. This is the neckline, somewhere around 70,560, and this is the cup of the cup and handle pattern. As you see here, we broke above the neckline and we broke above the handle. Recently, we had a small pullback, but don't worry about that, guys. This is just a breakout and a retest of this cup and handle pattern neckline. We might come back a little bit more all the way down here to get a retest of the handle. Who knows? But after that, we expect an explosive move to the upside. And altcoins, even though altcoins are lagging behind Bitcoin 1 to 2 weeks, they are going to follow. And we are going to make life-changing money soon. There is no other way. Look at this. This is the target that I have for the cup and handle pattern, the measured move. If you take the distance from the neckline of the cup and handle pattern to the lowest point of the pattern, and then we put this here at the breakout, this takes us all the way up here. This is the measured move for this cup and handle pattern that Bitcoin is working on the past few years. The measured move is ranging between 118,000 and 128,000. So that's what we want to see in the coming future from Bitcoin. Of course, things might get even crazier. We might surpass this measured move that I have here on the chart. Nobody knows yet. I'm going to give you updates on this as time goes by. So the token that I want to talk about today is called Crown by the Third Time Games. It's ranked 493 on CoinMarketCap, and the price is currently at 0.32 cents, 12.85% down for the day. But this doesn't scare us, guys, because in this channel, we are wolves. We buy fear. Just like Warren Buffett said, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This is what we do here. We buy fear like wolves. We love seeing red. Red candles are our favorite. Now, as you see, Crown by Third Time Games, the ticker is Crown, currently has a market cap of 61 million, and that makes this token a low cap. And as a low cap, it has tremendous upside. The gaming sector has been really hot, and we expect gaming tokens to go parabolic and outperform many other sectors in the crypto space. Before we look at the charts, let's talk about Crown. What is it? So Crown brings a novel application of blockchain technology to the world of digital horse racing and gaming. It allows for the operation of tracks within photo finish live. The token serves multiple purposes, from paying for in-game benefits, to stake as a demonstration of ownership rights over tracks, to providing a form of reward of successful racing careers. This is their X account. Look what it says here. Official partner of the Kentucky Derby. Own virtual horses and run authentic races against real players for real money. You can go over their X account on your own time. You can find them at Photo Finish Game. And as you see here, they currently have 32,000 followers. This token is pretty new, guys. It was created recently on March of 2024. It had a nice pump all the way up here, forming an all-time high at $1.93. And since then, we've been pulling down. However, it seems that Crown has found a bottom. And therefore, this might be a very good time for us traders and investors to start getting in, to start filling up our bags. If we zoom in, we see that there is a nice triangle pattern going on. Look at this. We have been moving inside this falling wedge for a couple of months. We had a nice rejection here. This can be considered another rejection, a third rejection. 3 touches make this top trend line a very valid, a very key resistance line. And then we have our support down here. We had a nice bounce, another nice bounce, a third bounce here. This can be considered a bounce. As long as the price action is moving inside the triangle, we have to consider that it's going to continue moving inside the triangle until it breaks out. We can see a breakout towards the upside or a breakout towards the downside. Nobody knows. However, these falling wedges have approximately a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. So what we expect to see is a breakout above the triangle soon. Now, for those of you who want to trade in a more aggressive manner, for those of you who want to front run the breakout, a very good entry level for you is as close as you can to this bottom support trend line. So we might see another bounce here, and this might be a very good buying opportunity. Now, for those of you who want to trade the breakout and trade in a more safe manner, what I would do is wait for a breakout. Buy the breakout, buy the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside, hitting the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. These targets are Fibonacci levels of support and resistance. So we can use these targets for now, level by level, slowly. So when the price action creeps up all the way up to one of these key resistance levels, we expect to see a pullback. So from that key level of support, all the way down here, the bottom trend line of the triangle, the measured move to the first target that I have here on the chart that's located at 58 cents. That's a 124% move, guys. That's a crazy move, amazing move. You can double your money and make even more than that if you make this trade happen. Now, from the bottom support of the triangle pattern all the way up to that second target that I have here on the chart that's located at $1.09, that's a 310% move. 3x, amazing move. And then I have another target here on the chart, which is basically the all-time high. From the bottom support of the triangle pattern all the way up to the all-time high, that's a 588% move, guys. Almost a 600% move. 6x. Crown, as a low cap, doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to make this happen, in order to get back to its all-time high. So we might see a very nice explosive move sometime in the coming days. We are currently in accumulation phase. All of these price levels inside the red triangle that I have here on the chart are good buys, guys. In my eyes, these are all good buys. This is the accumulation phase. And when we break above this, we are going to see a very nice explosive move to the upside, hitting the all-time high and then move above it. This token, the Crown token, is pretty new. It hasn't experienced a bull run before, and therefore it has tremendous upside. And on top of that, it's a low cap, guys. It can pull a 30x move easily. So pay attention. These tokens that haven't experienced a bull run before have tremendous potential because nobody knows how high they are going to go. So we are making it happen, guys. Bitcoin is breaking out. Altcoin season is coming soon. Take advantage of all these trading setups that I'm giving you. I'm going to post trading setups like this every single day. So do me a solid, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and that's all I had for you today. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.